In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal for donations or tipping on Twitch in 2024 and 2025. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just starting, having a way for your audience to support you financially can make a big difference. Twitch doesn't offer a built-in PayPal link setting for tipping, but you can make this work by using panels or third-party tools. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring it's as easy and straightforward as possible. Before we begin, there are a few things you'll need to have in place. First, make sure you have a PayPal account. Having a business account is preferable, but at the very least, your account should be verified to avoid any processing issues. You'll also need a PayPal.me link or a similar donation link, which will serve as your direct connection for receiving funds. Lastly, make sure you can edit your Twitch channel panels, as this is where your link will be displayed. To get started, let's dive into the process of setting up your PayPal.me link if you haven't yet. Begin by logging into your PayPal account. Then, navigate to PayPal.me. This service may not be available in all regions, so check if it's an option for you. If it is, make sure to activate your PayPal.me link. There's a toggle to enable options so that anyone can see your link and send you money. Once that's done, copy your PayPal.me URL. It usually looks something like https://paypal.me/yourname. Remember, if PayPal.me isn't available in your country, you might need to consider other donation links or payment processors. Once your PayPal.me link is ready to go, it's time to move over to Twitch to make it accessible for your viewers. Head to your Twitch channel and navigate to the About tab. Here is where the magic happens. Turn on the Edit Panels option, which allows you to modify or add new panels to your channel. To add a new panel, select the choice to Add Text or Image panel. In this section, you can get creative. Add a title like Donate via PayPal and include an optional image or icon that draws attention. Within the Image Links to or URL field, paste your PayPal.me link or your chosen tipping page link. Don't forget to add a heartfelt description like, "Thank you for your support." It's not just about the transaction, a little gratitude goes a long way. Once everything looks good, save or submit the panel, then turn off Edit Panels to check how it appears publicly. And there you have it, a clickable donation link right in your channel panels where your audience can see it. By setting this up, you're making it easier for your community to support you, and who knows, those small contributions could add up to something significant. So go ahead, take the steps, and open up new opportunities for your streaming journey.